Leverage the power of Power BI with Writeback functionality. In this example, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how you can drill into detail and investigate data while you're planning and setting targets for your new budget plan. In this example, what we will be doing is drilling into the consolidated operating plan and making adjustments at a high level to meet the requirements of the executive and the board. But we can see here that the services expenses in our China business unit are extremely high. With a click of a button, we can see it's $1.3 million. The board and the executive have suggested that with the change to the operating environment, we need to take $500,000 off the services expenses for China, given the current market conditions. So let's drill into the consolidated numbers. Let's filter on our China business unit. Let's highlight our services expenses overall. Let's drill into the general administration, where it's been decided $500,000 needs to come out. So let's make that change. Let's set a new target of $827,015. Let's run that value. Once we're happy with the change that we've made, we can post that value into the system. Now let's have a look at how that's impacted our numbers. If we were now to drill into China services, general expenses, what we'll find is that China services is now 827, as we've adjusted and forecasted. So there you have it, how you can quickly and seamlessly cascade data in your planning process and immediately visualize it in Power BI, leveraging the power of Power BI in Kepion Apps.